For coffee drinkers, there's nothing like that first cup of your favorite brew in the morning. While you can always just grab a cup from a local coffee shop, single-serve coffee makers let you make your favorite coffee at home, and save you money in the long run if you're a frequent coffee drinker. Single-serve coffee makers are small appliances that make one at a time, rather than a whole pot. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best single-serve coffee makers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach The Scoop Single-Serve Coffee Maker. This Hamilton Beach machine is the best single-serve coffee maker for those who don't want to use coffee pods. The mesh scoop filter can be used as a measuring device, so all you have to do is choose your favorite coffee grounds. You can choose to brew either an 8-ounce or a 14-ounce cup of coffee, though the 14-ounce will take about a minute longer to brew. You'll also be able to choose between the automatic drip brewing option or a bolder brew if you prefer stronger coffee. With this model, keep in mind that the reservoir won't hold more than 14 ounces of water, so you will need to refill it after every cup. This isn't an inconvenience for those who only want to savor one cup of coffee, but it may matter if you want multiple, quick cups of coffee at home. Number 2. Cuisinart Coffee Maker. Overall, the best single-serve coffee maker is the Cuisinart Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The coffee maker has a 72-ounce water reservoir that's ideal for people who drink several cups of coffee per day or for households with more than one coffee drinker. The coffee maker is compatible with a variety of pods, however, it also comes with a reusable filter cup if you prefer to use your own grounds. Plus, the machine also dispenses hot water, so you'll be able to use it for tea and hot chocolate as well. The machine can brew servings that are 4 to 12 ounces, so you'll be able to use a variety of mug sizes. The model also allows you to choose what brewing temperature you prefer. Plus, the machine is programmable, so you can adjust settings to brew your perfect cup of coffee. A charcoal filter also removes impurities for a better tasting coffee. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Single-Serve Coffee Maker. If you're in the market for a less expensive option, the best single-serve coffee maker to consider is the Black Plus Decker Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The small appliance brews single servings of coffee using a permanent filter that's compatible with both ground coffee and coffee pods. It also comes with a 16-ounce travel mug in case you need your caffeine on the go. The filter can be cleaned by simply rinsing it out, so it's a lower maintenance option for daily cleaning. Because it doesn't require paper filters, this coffee maker creates less waste and doesn't require the added expense of buying filters than other options on the market. The filter basket is also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The machine shuts itself off automatically after the cup of coffee is finished brewing, a great detail especially if you're rushing in the morning. It's also a smaller option, just 7.4 inches wide and 12.1 inches tall, if you're trying to conserve valuable counter space. Number 4. Keurig K-Mini Plus Single-Serve Coffee Maker. If you're short on counter space but don't want to sacrifice your morning cup of coffee, the K-Mini Plus from Keurig is the best single-serve coffee machine. The unit is small and slim but still provides the option to choose a cup size ranging from 6 to 12 ounces. This small machine has a storage container that can hold up to 9 K-cup coffee pods for convenient storage, eliminating the need to hunt around in the back of the cupboard for a pod to use. It also works with Keurig's My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter if you want to skip single-use pods. The K-Mini Plus comes in 7 colors and even has cord storage that'll help keep your countertop tidy. Like larger brewers, the drip tray is removable to accommodate both coffee mugs and larger travel mugs. Due to its smaller size, it doesn't have a reservoir that holds extra water, which helps save on space. Number 5. Mr. Coffee Iced Coffee Maker. The Mr. Coffee Iced Coffee Maker is the best single-serve coffee maker for those who prefer an iced beverage. The small appliance is offered in 3 colors and is less expensive than most other coffee makers, so you won't have to worry if you only want to use it seasonally. The machine brews a cup of iced coffee in less than 4 minutes using its rapid chill process, a brewing method that ensures the coffee won't be watered down. The coffee brews hot but quickly cools down over a tumbler filled with ice cubes. Just keep in mind that with this coffee maker you can only use ground coffee in the machine's reusable filter. The coffee machine comes with a double-wall insulated, 22-ounce tumbler that's BPA-free and is made to keep the iced coffee cold for a longer period of time without sweating. It's also hand-washable and comes with a lid and straw. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.